Lawgics, serial number 127. Author and advocate Ms. Nidhi Agarwal is presenting GST law in simplified manner under the title Lawgics. The note is prepared in a series of action section multiple PDFs which contains a simplified version of GST law and the interpretation thereon. The author has vision to spread knowledge of complex GST law among the taxpayers, tax professionals, students and knowledge seeker in easy and simplified manner. Slide number 127 of Logix dated 13 of July 2023 is presented below for your reading and reference. So far 127 slides have been presented. So this particular slide is talking about section 123, which is penalty for failure to furnish information return. If a person who is required to furnish an information return under section 150 fails to do so within the period prescribed in the notice issued under the subsection 3 thereof, the proper officer may direct that such person shall be liable to pay a penalty of 100 rupees for each day of the period during which the failure to furnish such information continues, provided that the penalty imposed under this section shall not exceed 5,000 rupees. Interpretation. Section 123. This section is applicable where the information return as prescribed under Section 150 is not filed. Section 150 requires certain class of persons to maintain specified records and furnish information return within the prescribed time. Every taxable person is not required to furnish information return. It is expected that this would be used by the governments for exchange of information. For example, banking company, state electricity board, a registrar of companies, registering authority of motor vehicles, recognized stock exchange, depository of shares, officer of Reserve Bank of India, goods and service tax network, etc. may be required to furnish the information return. If a person who is required to file an information return as prescribed under Section 150 has not filed the return within the stipulated period of 30 days or such further period as prescribed under Section 150 subsection 3 from the date of issue of show cause notice, a penalty of rupees 100 per day shall be levied for each day for which the failure continues but not exceeding 5,000 rupees. There is maximum ceiling of 5,000 for failure to furnish information return under Section 150. The penalty for defective information return would not be payable under this section, but the information return will be treated as not filed if the defective returns are not rectified, and in such case the penalty will be leviable. All such slides can be seen in the category logics. If you click on this category, so here there are slides. This is 126, 127 and 126, 125, 124. So right from the slides number 1, you can read it and understand the law. So serial number 7, here it starts from serial number 1, and now it has the total slides uploaded by the advocate and author is 127 series, which talks about section 123 as we have just read. To read this law, you can find this logics total in category logics in onlinetaxupdate.com. Thank you.